So for the first thing we're going to do is write our version of the cosine law for solving for an angle measure. And since we're looking for angle x, y, z, we're going to call that angle y. So angle y is equal to cosine -1 of x squared plus z squared minus y squared over or divided by 2 times x times z. So now make sure that you've done that correctly and pause the video if you made a mistake there and try again. And if not, then what you should have done next is sub in for x, z, and y, and you would have gotten this expression. Then simplify, and once again, I'll show you how to do this all in the calculator in one step. But if you had difficulties, maybe you could see where you went wrong in your calculations. And so then angle y. Okay, again, this is one of the toughest things to do on a calculator. So we're going to use a bracket, and then for the numerator, we're going to use a second bracket, and we're going to put in all the values, all the squared values from the numerator in the second line of our solution. So this is going to be 17 squared plus 22 squared minus 25 squared, and we're going to close that bracket, and we're going to divide by, and we need another bracket because we have to do all of the operations on the top and all of the operations on the bottom and then divide. So it's going to be divided by 2 times 17 times 22. Close that bracket, close the first bracket, and we end up with 0.978, etc., which is 148 divided by 78. So we're going to take inverse cosine of that value, and we get that angle y is approximately equal, when we round to 1 decimal place, 78.6 degrees. So angle y is approximately equal to 78.6 degrees.